Hello everyone, today we will present a recipe that will rejuvenate the skin on your face by 10 years, using only 4 simple ingredients. This recipe was proposed by the renowned Brazilian plastic surgeon, Dr. Ivo Pitanguy. The 4 elements of this recipe are Bepantol, Hipoglós, vitamin A, and vitamin E, which when mixed together have the power to leave you with an incredibly beautiful skin. Bepantol is known for its moisturizing properties, helping to keep your skin soft and smooth. Hipoglós is one of the best allies in the fight against wrinkles and expression lines, leaving your skin younger and radiant. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant vitamin, protecting your skin against damage caused by free radicals. Finally, vitamin A helps to stimulate the growth of new skin cells, leaving your skin more youthful and healthy. The combination of these 4 elements will make a miracle on the skin of your face. Prepare it as follows. In a container, place the equivalent of 2 cm of Bepantol, also place 2 cm of Hipoglós, 3 drops of vitamin E, and 3 drops of vitamin A. Mix these 4 elements well, and with the help of a spoon, brush or even your fingers, spread it all over your face, massaging so that the cream penetrates well. After applying the cream, go to bed to sleep, and the next day when you wake up, wash your face well and remove the excess. You will be surprised by the result. Repeat this procedure 2 times a week to keep your skin beautiful and young for a long time. We hope you enjoyed this tip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We want to know if you liked it and how your experience was after doing this miraculous recipe. Tell us in the comments how your experience was.